आप न्यूज़ में देख रहे होंगे, आईएनएस-टीसी कॉरिडोर का मुद्दा फिर से काफ़ी चर्चा में है। पिछले साल हमने G20 समिट में देखा आईमेक कॉरिडोर, और आईमेक कॉरिडोर का अनाउंसमेंट हुआ सितंबर 2023 में G20 समिट में, और उसके ही कुछ दिनों के बाद 7 अक्टूबर को हमास और जो इजराइल है इसके बीच में एक वॉर स्टार्ट हो जाती है। मैंने तब भी कहा था कि ये सब वायर जो हैं वो एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं। अब थोड़ा और पीछे जाते हैं, आईमेक कॉरिडोर की बात और इतना पॉलिटिकल इशू क्यों है? क्योंकि उससे पीछे का जो मेजर कॉरिडोर इशू है वो है बीआरआई। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये जो ट्रेड कॉरिडोर इतना जियोपॉलिटिकली सेंसिटिव मुद्दा क्यों है, और ये जो न्यूज़ आ रही है इसको हमको इसमें से क्या समझना है और इसे कैसे देखना है। तो सबसे पहले न्यूज़ क्या है? एक अच्छी न्यूज़ समझ लीजिए कि बहुत टाइम से आईएनएस-टीसी कॉरिडोर वो भी एक तरीके से नॉन फंक्शनल चल रहा था, जहां तक इंडिया के बीच में कनेक्टिविटी की बात है। पर as Prime Minister Modi is visiting to Russia, we have seen Russia is sending 2 trains carrying Russian coal from Russia's Siberian region. It has a symbolic importance because the last Prime Minister Modi visited to Russia was in 2019. For what? For Eastern Economic Forum, where at Vladivostok. And where is Vladivostok? That is in Siberia. Siberia means far east. And from here, he launched his initiative Act Far East with the focus on Siberia as well as Arctic region, and a line of credit of $10 billion was announced, 10 billion US dollars was announced, and the plan was to build the connectivity from Chennai to Vladivostok using the maritime corridor. Now, let us talk about another corridor, and that is BRI project, which was launched by the Chinese president and is considered as his signature project. It was launched in 2013, and in BRI project there is one component over which India has lot of objection, and that component is CPEC corridor. And it is very natural to have the objection because it goes through POA, means it is challenging India's sovereignty. Now, what India has proposed? India and Russia, along with Iran, have proposed INSTC corridor for connectivity in one of the most important region from the perspective of trade, business, energy security, geopolitics and geoeconomics. So, why INSTC corridor? Because it is a way for India to access to Central Asia. As I have told earlier also, Central Asia is considered as heart of Asia, and Central Asia has rich natural resources, strategic location and very important role in our Pakistan's policy, in our policy towards Pakistan. But Pakistan has always stopped our access to Central Asia. How? By not giving us transit agreement, by not entering into transit agreement with us. So, what is Pakistan's policy? Isolate India. India should not be connected with the resource-rich region of Central Asia. Now, because Pakistan, we tried at bilateral level also, we tried at multilateral level, for example at SAARC, but Pakistan has not agreed for granting India transit. Even Pakistan does not allow transit for the humanitarian purposes if India wants to access to Afghanistan. So we thought about the alternative corridor, that is INSTC corridor, and it contains the important countries in the region. Few days back, there was a news about India taking the management of the Shahid Beheshti terminal of Chabahar. So Chabahar is also an important component of INSTC corridor. There is also an agreement that was in 2018 Ashgabat agreement, which also includes the countries like India, Pakistan, Oman, and other countries of Central Asia to make this flow of goods seamless. Now, in present time, the importance of INSTC increases further. Why? Because what we see in the Red Sea region and in the Suez area, there is a attack by the Houthis on the global shipping, as well as there is a problem of piracy. So the connectivity from West Asia through the older route, that is through the Arabian Sea, has become very insecure. It is a longer route. Now, because of Chinese approaches in South China Sea, we do not know the future of South China Sea, whether it is going to be a seamless flow of the trade or not. So, in this geopolitical environment, INSTC corridor gains importance. Now, what has been India's approach towards INSTC corridor? How should we look at it? We should see it as a part of India's Pakistan policy. So what is India's Pakistan policy? We have biggest security threat from Pakistan, both in terms of nuclear weapons as well as in terms of non-state actors. Now, we have to stop the access of funds to Pakistan. So, in one way, we can define India's Pakistan policy as isolate Pakistan, blame and shame Pakistan. So, because our policy has been to isolate Pakistan and India has used its diplomatic leverage in various countries of the world, there have been substantial benefits. That is why what we see that Pakistan is facing economic crisis. Pakistan's economic crisis is not just because of India, but we can say that some of our policies have also impacted Pakistan's economy. Now, understand Pakistan's policy. Pakistan will not give India transit to access to Afghanistan and Central Asia. Again, understand India's approach. India is thinking we can bypass Pakistan using Chabahar and INSTC corridor to this important region of Central Asia and Caucasus. Now, you know that India is not a part of BRI because we have border dispute with China. Again, one component of BRI passes through POK, and that is CPEC corridor, over which India has raised huge objection. Now, what Russia has done? Russia has invited Pakistan to join INSTC corridor. It means India's entire game plan is now becoming irrelevant because India is aiming at isolating Pakistan. But Pakistan in INSTC means CPEC is also getting connected with INSTC. Now, Pakistan in INSTC will also imply Pakistan and Iran relations will improve because of the interest of the trade. Again, Pakistan having an access to resource-rich region and Pakistan becoming a transit hub. That means Pakistan's revenues are going to increase. Now, where Pakistan is going to use its revenues? Obviously, to sponsor the terrorism against India. So, the plan with which we have investing so much time and energy gets spoiled if Pakistan is a member of INSTC. Iran's requirement of India reduces and Central Asian requirement of India also reduces, Pakistan's situation increases. And our policy becomes useless because we spoiled our relations with China, not joining BRI, but now CPEC will become part of INSTC corridor. So ultimately, because of this decision of Russia, it is very natural that India should feel very much concerned about our so-called special and privileged partner. And this is a very, very important concern which India has to raise.